Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, and thanks for clicking on today's video. It really means a lot to me that you're supporting your girl. So let's get into today's hair sponsorship, which is from IncolorWig. Alright, so before we get into it, let me just run you guys some quick details on this wig. So this is a 13x4 body wave lace frontal wig that comes with a pre-plucked hairline with a density of 150%. I have to agree with all of that. And I don't normally say that, but I have to agree with everything that was given to me in the rundown on this wig. The density, okay, it's there. It is there, trust me. So the density is 150%. Definitely see it, definitely feel it with this type of length. Now normally with a 24-inch wig, girl, your hair is not going to be as full. Normally I don't even like 24 inches anymore because I feel like they're just too thin for me, and I feel like I have to cut layers in the hair to get the look that I'm going for. But I was actually surprised with this wig, and I said before I even started filming, look, we're not going to cut this wig today. We're not going to take no length off. We're not going to layer. We're going to just straight curl and see what it do. And baby, it did what it needed to do. That's for sure. I also love that the ends on this wig is full too. Sometimes you will see with wigs 24 inches or longer, the ends can look very stringy. They can look very see-through-ish. And we really don't want that. They did not give me like see-through ends. The hair is super full on the ends. I do like that this hair holds a curl pretty good without me having to go in and put any layers. Now I did have to use holding spray, which I always use when I curl my hair. And I did have my ion curling iron on like the highest setting. And I know I burnt the shit out of this hair. But nevertheless though, it's still giving. Still giving. But let's go ahead and get into the hairline and the lace. The hairline definitely came pre-plucked. It was plucked, I would think, pretty good, especially for a beginner. But as you saw in the video, I did have to go in and pluck the hair a little bit more. And I also need to say this, when I was going in and plucking in the video, like the hairline density is not thick at all. I would say like 3 inches of the lace, which I would say is a lot. It was more so on the thin side. You could see the hairline taking place. Like you could see it was going to give a very beautiful natural install without even putting on the wig yet, just because the hairline wasn't so thick. I love how the lace is very much seamless. Let me just say this, I love the new direction that the wig companies are going in when it comes towards these clear lace and lace melted wig techniques, because it definitely helps with those who are beginners or those who just don't have the experience to like get the true melt down look, but you can finesse it. Like I'm here for that. And I love that they are offering these type of upgraded laces at an affordable price while not compromising the quality either. So sometimes you'll get a real nice lace, and I've had this happen before where you get a really nice lace but the hair is not all that. So anytime you can get a real nice lace and the hair is popping too, yeah, that's what you definitely want to spend your money on, because that's going to be a wonderful investment that's going to be around for a while. So big shout out to IncolorWigs for sponsoring today's look